Hey YouTube, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank 2400 model. I hope this video ends up being helpful. If it is, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, so to locate the maintenance box, it is the back left corner of the printer. There's a panel here that needs to be removed. You simply need to remove a Phillips head screw. Very easy to remove. I'm using a unique tool. You can use a regular screwdriver, and once you remove that screw, you can then remove the panel. And once the panel is removed, you will have total access to the maintenance box. Now, the maintenance box is held in by another Phillips head screw. Again, you can use a regular screwdriver to remove this. And once you do that, you'll be able to pull out your old maintenance box. And once you pull that out, you're going to want to discard of it because it will be full of ink. Now, you may want to also use gloves because it can be quite messy. So once you get rid of that old maintenance box, of course, you need to replace it with a new maintenance box. Now, Best Printers does sell the compatible maintenance box for this printer, the EL3110. That's going to be linked down in the description below or somewhere here on the video. You can click there and get one for yourself coming on the way quickly. You also should reset the waste ink counter. I'm going to be linking to a video that will show you step by step how to reset the waste ink counter, so that you're going to want to do that around the same time because that's going to allow you to start fresh in the system and with the maintenance pad. If you do this every 3 to 6 months, you are going to be way ahead of everyone else, and you will really end up extending the life of your printer. So I really hope this video was helpful. Again, if it was, like, comment, subscribe. But that's really all I have for today. Remember the product link down in the description below, and explore my channel. There's a lot of resources on here for printer owners. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.